Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you'll be fine, inshallah. So, today I'm gonna teach you how to export a Word document as PDF, or how to make a PDF file of your Word document. This is very important as PDF is very easy and accessible platform to carry your documents. So, click on Word here, open it, and after, if you have a document already there, then click on that as I have. Now this is ready now and I want to make it as a PDF file. Then simply you will come into the file section here, click on the tab export here, export, and here the MS Word will show you the create PDF or XPS. So you will simply click on this and it will simply make it as a PDF file with your title, then publish it. Okay, now it is ready to watch in a PDF file. This is now a PDF file. We cannot make it change, as you can see here. It is not. We are unable to change it. So this is now PDF in a PDF form, and we can send it to any other very easily, and that other person will also be able to open this, but will not be able to make it change. Thank you very much. Hope you will find it best beneficial. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Subscribe us.